Hi, I'm Austin Hunt, president of 3M Tool, where we make really cool stuff out of wire. A couple of years ago, I was visiting a customer's plant where they had rows and rows of screw machines making brass pipe fittings. As each part finished, it came down a chute into a basket. The operator took the full basket and rinsed it in some solvent to clean off the cutting lubricants. After he swished it around, he brought the basket up and had to prop it at an angle or sit it on something to help the parts drain. When I looked around, all of the machines had the same problem, operators doing various things to support the baskets precariously. And I came up with the idea for our dip and drain basket. Took a standard dipping basket and I've added these feet where in the down position it sits flat for loading and it will fit down inside of a bucket. When the feet swing out, it'll sit on the edge of the bucket and all the drips will go right back into the bucket, no mess on the floor. That customer loved the idea and they became our first customer for our standard dip and drain basket. They bought one for every machine and have loved them ever since. We had a customer that was trying to use one of our standard dip and drain baskets to soak parts in liquid nitrogen for cryogenic testing. The idea kind of worked for them, but the operators couldn't safely flip the feet out because they were 320 degrees below zero and they couldn't safely touch them. So we came up with this arrangement where the feet are actuated from the top of the basket. This particular basket is made for an 18.5-inch opening in a nitrogen tank. It's type 316 stainless steel that's been electropolished. The frame is lightweight 1/4-inch rod with all the joints TIG welded for strength and to keep the weight and thermal mass down. This customer absolutely loved this solution and immediately bought a bunch of them for all their installations. We listened to shop guys who didn't want to drip solvent on the floor when they were cleaning their parts, and that led to our dip and drain line of products, which have become very popular. We had another customer with a problem that was a bit more unique. We developed a clever solution for their problem. Please take a look at our standard products by visiting Amazon.com and searching for dip and drain baskets, or take a look at our more unique projects at 3mtool.com. Reach out to us and see what clever solutions we can come up with for your problems.